Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to use Instagram Notes with music. Instagram Notes is a fun feature that lets you share short updates with a soundtrack right above your chats. Perfect for expressing your mood or sharing vibes with friends. First of all, launch Open Instagram application on your mobile device and also make sure that it is updated to the latest version. Now go to your inbox or the DM section by tapping on the chat bubble icon at the top right. Now you will be able to see your profile picture with a note sign in it. Tap on your note and then write down a short message. This could be a thought, a vibe, or even an emoji. After you write down the text for your notes, in order to add music to your note, click on the music button at the bottom right underneath your profile. And you can search for trending songs from the For You section, trending sections, or even your saved music library. Select the track you'd like to use. You can then go ahead and select a certain part of the music you'd like to use and then tap on Done. Soon after you do that, you can then go ahead and choose whether you want to share it with your friends on Instagram or with your close friends. Select one of the options under Share With and finally click on Share. Soon after you do that, you've successfully added music to your Instagram notes. This feature makes your updates more fun and expressive. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.